What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Faith. You can follow me on my Instagram account, Faithy, and also you can subscribe to our channel, Faithy, para updated kayo sa mga latest vlogs. Welcome back to the channel! So, anong araw na ba ngayon? Today is May 19, so sana ma-edit ko to kaagad so I can share with you. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng, because diba, syempre at the beginning of the quarantine, nauso si Dalgona coffee. And now, Sushi Bake is in! Share ko lang, I used to work at a sushi restaurant noong 2002. I used to work at Yokozuna. Ang ingay ni Katie. So, I used to work at Yokozuna Sushi Grill, Sushi Bar, and Islander Grill in Chula Vista, SanDiego. So, syempre, I worked there for about 2002 hanggang mga 2004. Basta, I used to work there. Syempre, naging friend ko yung mga sushi chef. And, tinuruan nila ako gumawa ng mga different kinds of sushi. From the basic California, the bomb. Ang gaganda kasi ng ang sasarap ng mga sushi nila doon. And since nauuso ngayon yung Sushi Bake, I mean, it's been around for sobrang tagal na. Pero syempre, ngayong quarantine, ang daming mga quarantine eats na nagagawa. I'm gonna share a recipe that pwede natin gawin sa bahay. Alright? So, let's get to it. And now we have, it's just gonna be basically parang deconstructed sushi or deconstructed California roll. Just think of it that way. So we have this one. I got this from ASI Supermart and using Grab delivery. So we have this. I'm gonna be making two variants. One with this one and one I'll use Tuna. This is gonna be a little bit spicy, so I'm gonna pair this up with sriracha. And of course, you have this mayonnaise, and I'm gonna put cheese, and madali lang siya, i-assemble lang natin. So, let's start! Before we begin, say hi to Lifu and ano nga ba pinangalan ni Katie dito? Onionita? I'm not so sure, I forgot. I forgot that we need to use
Hi guys, it's good.
Love it.
Good. Try making this. It's legit.
Love you.
Love you.
As I was editing, nakalimutan ko, wala na pala kaming outro for the vlog. So, eto na lang. Okay, post-edit. I'll also put a grocery list. Yung itemized sa description box ko na lang siguro susulat din yung mga ingredients and yung mga measurements nila. Alright? If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below kung if you think you're gonna be able to do this recipe, try this recipe at home, something homemade. Yan. Okay? Until my next story or our next vlog, always remember, be kind and don't forget to work out.
Peace!